Hey ladies, it's Candace Parks, your favorite Premier Designs jewelry lady, and I am bringing you guys jewelry math. If you went to my show and I showed you jewelry math and you told me, how am I going to remember all this? So here's a video just for you because I love my customers so much. So this is the jewelry math, two necklaces of the same length. So this is Arabian Nights, it is 60 inches. This is Lady Fair, and it is 62 inches, so pretty much the same length, plus an enhancer or brooch, and Premier Designs creates awesome enhancers that have magnetic closures. So you can just snap it closed and stick it onto your necklace. And so we're going to go ahead and get started with the first 7 of our looks, and that is going to be done with our Lady Fair necklace. Alright, so our first necklace is Lady Fair. Like I said, it is 62 inches, girls, so there's a lot of necklace to go around. Now, we are not going to wear it 60 inches because that is way too long. So the first look is just going to be doubling it, and you can double it like this. So this is number 1. Okay, number 2 is just adding our Triumph pendant. It has the magnet, like I said, so you just open up the magnet and snap it on. It gives you a different look, and then it's going to pull in that black and that white because that is something that is going to be really hot during the spring and the summer. You're going to see black and white everywhere in the form of stripes, different patterns, and so on and so forth. So it's number 1. Number 2, the next thing we're going to do is just stagger the layers. So kind of give a frame. So this is the first necklace and this part is framing it. So this is number 3. Number 4 is just adding the pin. Now, the one thing about adding the pins, it will make it a little bit heavy. And so days go on and your necklace is doing this. It starts to choke you. And then you fight back and pull it down. And then it fights back with you and chokes you again. And so Premier has created this awesome thing called Unclip It. I don't know if any other companies have this, but Premier does. They are $10. They come in silver, in antique gold. They come in hematite, and then they also come in regular gold. And so what you're going to do is you are going to find your closure. And so you find your closure. For me, it's right here. You put your clip on there, and then you create a happy face because when your necklace is not choking you, you are a happy girl. So create that smile, and then just clip it around your neck. And then you are going to have this, and your necklace is not going to move. And so you're able to have that look all day, and it's exactly where you want it. And so when you add your clip, your pendant, it's going to hang right there, and it is not going to move. And so that is something that is awesome. Now, girls, you know that is awesome. The next thing, so that was number 4. The other thing that you can do with really long necklaces is you put it around your neck, and using your clip it, you switch hands, so you switch sides. Okay, you create an X on the top and your smiley face down here, and you're going to pull it behind your neck and then snap it on your around your neck. So that's going to give you a 3-strand necklace. Now you can pull the layers however you want to make it look like that, or you could make them all the way together. So for this, we're going to keep them together. So this is number 5, and this is number 6. Just adding that pin. So that just gives you a completely different look by adding the pin. So that is number 6. And number 7 is a Y necklace. And the Y necklace is something that you can do, especially if you have an open coat and you don't want all these bands going across. All you do is pull it around your neck, put one through one side, and pull it. Okay, that is going to give you a Y. Now, girls, what this does is it creates an awesome line going straight down your body. And so if you are looking here, you're going to look skinny and you're going to look good, girlfriend. So you want to do stuff like this. This is great for every body shape, especially us girls that have the curves and we don't want everyone paying attention to them. I want them to look here and not look at all it is. Okay? So there's our Y for that. And so that is number 7. If you have a brooch, you can stick that on there. And that could be number 8, but for time's sake, I'm not going to show that. And I showed you 2 plus 1 equals the 15 plus. so I'm not going to add a fourth one in there and throw you all. Right, so we have necklace number 2, Arabian Nights, and we're going to do the same exact tricks, except for I'm going to do them a little bit faster without much explanation since I kind of showed you the last time. So we're starting at number 8, right? So number 8 is doubled. Number 9 is just doubled with a clip. Number 10 is giving it the different layers. Now, like I said, without it moving, you're going to need that clip, but for time's sake, I'm just going to pull it. So this is number 10, and adding the clip is number 11. Number 12, putting it on, twisting it, pull it around, add your clip it. Okay, so 13, 4, that was 12, this is 13, and then 14 is going to be our Y with the black. So we can create our Y necklace again by wrapping it around and sticking it through the hole. And that creates our Y necklace. Now, girls, this is number 14, and we haven't even gotten into mixing the two together. So this is going to be fun. Talking about getting more bling for your buck. This is the way to do it. So now we're going to mix them up. All right, so now we are mixing them up and using them both together. So this is why they needed to be around the same length. So all you're going to do is put them together and then start twisting. What that is going to do is going to give you kind of like a stripe-ish zebra type necklace, and you're going to use your clip it and clip it in the back, and then pull it down so you see that twisted black and white, and then you can also add your enhancer to this. I'm sure we all have a lot of black and white in our closet, especially black, because it's that trick of making us look thinner, and what lady doesn't want to look thinner? And so I'm going to give you that challenge of adding a little bit of color to your wardrobe. So emerald is the color of 2013. That's why I have this fabulous green or emerald scarf with leopard print. Now, girls, if you're going to do animal print, do not go overboard. So if you're going to have a cute leopard scarf, that's fine. But don't put on a leopard jacket and a leopard skirt and all kinds of stuff, because that is just cray-cray. All right? So what we are going to do now is change a couple things up, and we're going to use them in a lot of different layers. So to just let it unravel is the easiest way. Take off your clip it, and then you're going to put one on your mannequin, doubled. And then you're going to put another one on and just kind of layer it together. You can make the layers wherever you want, and then you can also add our pin. So that just gives another option. Something fun is I love adding my pins to the side. And so you can clip your pin right here, and that just gives the designer look, because you'll notice that most designer things kind of are a little off kilter. So put that pin right there. When it was twisted, you could put your pin there. You can make these longer and tie them together. So just tie a little knot in the front. There are so many ways. So you can just do that and have those mixed together. That's another way. And the very last thing that I'm going to show you, which is something just like thinking out of the box, and that is wearing your necklace as a bracelet. So you're going to grab your clip it, and you're going to put that on there and wrap it around your arm until you get to the end. And just kind of loosen that up a little bit. And then you have a bunch of bands on your wrist. So you guys see that? And that can help add to your arm party. So add some more bracelets, put a watch in between. There are so many different options. So girls, never ever think that there are not enough ways to wear that jewelry. Especially those long necklaces that can be worn as bracelets. They can be worn doubled, tripled. You can Y them. You can add them to other things to frame. So the options are endless, girls. Get creative so that you can go out and your friends just think you are fabulous because you are finding all these ways to wear your jewelry, and just by them thinking you're fabulous, they're going to give you compliments, and that actually decreases your stress. And which lady, especially moms, does not need their stress decreased? So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be posting some more soon.